Hello, so I'm going to be going over the project 4-1 for Unit 2, the calculate area and perimeter form. So the first thing I'm going to go over is the calculating the area and the perimeter. So it's asking if it's using the correct formula in the correct format, so the 2 decimal places, and is it rounding correctly. And the same thing for the perimeter there. So I go to it, go to my code here. So this is my my formula right here and here. So basically what it's doing is it's declaring the variable area, and it's taking the text that's entered in the length text box and multiplying that by the text that's in the text or the width text box. That'll get us our area, and then down here I display it in the area text box. And I use the math.round for area to this. I'm rounding it to like the precision of 2 decimal places, and it's using Banker's rounding, so it's correct kind of rounding. And same thing with the text here. So perimeter, we're declaring perimeter. It equals the length that's entered in the text box length multiplied by 2, because if it's a box, you're going to have 2 sides, plus the width that's entered in the text box of width times 2, so that'll give us our perimeter. So down here we display perimeter in the perimeter text box, and again I'm also rounding it to the precision of 2 and using Banker's rounding. So that should cover those, and then text boxes, width and length, do they accept decimal values, and then the explain. So I'll show you that those work. So if I run this form and I hit, if I type in like 23.45, and for the width I put 7.1, for example, and I hit enter, you can see that it's accepting those decimals, and then you can see also that it's rounding them. And if I were to change that, I could even do 77 and 91, for example. I can click calculate, it's still going to do it. So it's accepting decimals and integers equally, and then I can click the exit button and it will exit out because I have this code here. So that is, I believe, all the criteria for project 4-1. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.